Now check this out. This is in free play mode. Salam, hello and welcome. Today we are going to restore a seized bearing. Now, this process will apply on almost every seized bearing, but it depends on how soon are you coming to salvage. So if it stays for too long, it might be beyond repair. That also can apply on noisy bearings like the pulleys in the car or the belt tensioners. So enjoy the video. Now this is my brake lever and the bearing is kind of stuck. It's not moving. Now actually this condition with this particular part is not affecting my operations. I can still go and press the brake. I'm not feeling really the stickiness of the bearing, but the salvage process that I'm about to do can apply to any bearing. So let's get straight to this. Now, I'm going to remove the Circlip. Just be careful with these clips because they love to jump. Now, as you can see, there is a whole bunch of sand. All right, so we got the clip out. You want to work in a clean space. So, I'm going to remove the dirt with a wet wipe. You can use rag, you can use whatever you want, but you need to clean it first. And that's basic. Now that the outer seal is clean, I'm going to try to remove it with a small, tiny screwdriver. Just be careful not to damage the seal. Now you can see the ball pin. Yeah, so it's not gonna move, of course, because it's full of sand. So here's what we're gonna do. Now, I'm going to be spraying brake cleaner all over the bearing to get the sand out. Agitate the sand and get it out for as much as possible. Check out the movement, slightly better. Go back and forth to break the sand and then spray again. Now, I appreciate if you please take a moment, like the video, share it with your friends so they can benefit from that as well. Feel free to comment, ask me any questions you'd like. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And now we've got more movement. And again, and definitely we're getting much more movement right now. Just keep doing that until it frees up. Check out how much sand. The second that I feel like now that I can get 360-degree movement, I'm going to switch from brake cleaner to WD-40. Now the WD-40 is going to give it some lubrication. It will help break up the sand faster as well. Let it soak there and then make the movement. And now the movement is way better. It's much better now. I'll spray again and I can see big chunks coming out of the bearing. This is in free play mode. Now guys, check this out. I'm holding it from the bearing. Yeah? Now God knows how long this bearing has been eating sand. But I expect it's been for a really long time, considering what I'm seeing here. All right. Now, a very important part that we should not dismiss or forget is actually to clean the inner part of the seal. And look how dirty that is. You gotta clean the inner part of the seal. So I would recommend that actually clean it with WD-40 as well. Look how nice and clean this is right now. We got the bearing alive again. We've cleaned the seal, but we are not done yet. One last tip. To make sure that the bearing lives a long and happy life, we are going to add grease. Now, after adding the grease, you need to make sure it's well distributed and try to stick it deep in the bearing as much as you can. So don't just keep it on the surface, rub it down in the bearing. Now I'm going to wipe off the excess. All right, and I'm going to spin it. You need to spin the bearing, make sure that the grease goes everywhere inside. And this is the result. That seized bearing is live again. Now the last thing we need to do is to reinstall the bearing seal again. And that is not too difficult. You just place it in and press it from both sides. Keep coming closer until it's fully hot. Like that. Once you install the seal, finish up with cleaning all that excess grease. And then finish up with visual inspection. Make sure that the seal is installed, it's seated 100%, and we are done. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, be safe, and do it yourself.